2022 Ford F-350 XLT Super Duty. It's got the 7.3 massive motor. One of my favorite trucks. One of these days I can afford one. Really beautiful truck. As you guys can see, it's got 35s on it. I'm gonna show you guys what we just did to it. I thought he was in a hurry, he wasn't gonna do a video, but he goes, go ahead, do a video, I can wait. And I said, I appreciate it. We appreciate it more than he knows. So we'll raise it up and let you guys see what we did on it, okay? 1 second. So this Ford F-350 2022 got factory massive converters. Everything's massive on this truck, and I love it. So what we did is put a Y pipe instead of the muffler. We'll show you guys the whole setup on it outside. So we put a Y pipe, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then he brought a BORLA XR we put on, then 3-inch pipe in the middle. Then he brought a 4-inch BORLA race muffler we just put on there. Then 3-inch pipe out the back into his 3.5-inch tailpipe, and it came with a factory resonator there. We left it, and then put this massive 5-inch tip to complete the look, as you guys can see, and it's got some nice 35s on it. Really beautifully done. It's not overly done, it's just clean, as you guys can see. This is the massive muffler that was on it there. Another baby resonator, you want to call it, dual in, single out, and another really baby resonator. So they really had to go above and beyond to quieten it down. So we just shed about 150 pounds off of it by just doing that. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's perfect. Wow, that's clean. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. So it's clean, not overly done. He didn't want too much. He pulls a boat with it. So I don't blame him. I wouldn't want it too loud either. Go ahead and back it out. Beautiful silver truck. I gotta back up so much to get it all into the frame. It's so big. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. .3-liter gas, massive truck. It's beautiful. The newest and the greatest. All the bells and whistles. Came out beautiful. He saw one of our earlier videos and said, I gotta have the same setup. So he went and bought everything and we installed it for him.